Hello, my name is Muhammad Akif Azlan with meeting number 143491 and I'm from Group 3 LSP 401. I'm also a final year student who taking new media arts. So today I want to share with you guys a topic about the importance of caring rainforests. As we know, rainforests are very important to the world for many reasons. Most of them being very simple. One major reason is that the plant in the forest turn carbon dioxide into clear air, which help us fight pollution. Also, by absorbing carbon dioxide, the rainforest help deter the greenhouse effects. The tree of the rainforest store carbon dioxide in their roots, stem, branches, and leaves. Um, the plants and animals of rainforest also provide us with food, fuel, wood, shelter, job, and medicines. Firstly, rainforests help stabilize the world climate by absorbing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Scientists have shown that excess carbon dioxide in the atmosphere from human activity is contributing to climate change. Therefore, living rainforests have an important role in fighting climate change. But when rainforests are chopped down and burned, the carbon stored in their woods and leaves is released into the atmosphere, contributing to climate change. Next, rainforests are home to a large number of the world plant and animal species, including many endangered species. As forests cut down, many species are dominant to extinctions. Most rainforest species can survive only in their natural habitat. As their habitat is destroyed, many well-known rainforest species are threatened the extinctions, including orangutan, rhino, tigers, gorilla, elephants, as well many birds, monkey, reptiles, and many more. Lastly, tropical forests can have a cooling effect by increased humidity through transpiration and contributing to the wind currents. Additionally, shade from the forest canopy can result in dramatic coolness temperature relative or areas exposed to the direct sunlight. In fact, on the top complaint from local people following these forests is about the increase in local temperature. In conclusion, we must be aware of the importance of maintaining rainforests in our country, around the world. Awareness of the importance of caring rainforests should be continued to be carried out by various parties in the country, such awareness campaign, monitoring, deforestation, increasing finance and illegal location, community awareness. This effort is the increase public awareness that important of rainforests. So we must take care of rainforest for our next generation, or feel the true beauty of the rainforest. That's all from me. Thank you.